crops and your children too. And there really isn't very much that you can do. Cicadas are good eating, and they're good for you, and they can cure your hiccups and your COVID too. 'Cause you can grind them up like powder and snort them just as well. Feel no side effects as far as I can tell. Be one of them there chupacabras. Let's get out of here. We'll be safe in our trailer parks. Yeah, you can fry them up with corn dogs and some chitlins too, and roll them up like empanadas. Who would ever doubt you? Not me. They're gonna rape your chicken.